Let me show you how to create strawberry fruit slice effect in Photoshop. Let's create a new file, size 1920 by 1080 pixels. Go to File. Place Embedded. Image download link in description. Rotate the image. Right-click and rasterize layer. Select Pen tool. Draw a path. Right-click and make selection. Press Ctrl X for cut the selection. Create a new layer. Press Ctrl V for paste. Let's give a name of the layer. Repeat the process again and divided the fruit into 4 parts. Select Elliptical Marquee tool. Draw a circle by pressing Alt plus Shift. Press Ctrl plus C for copy. Press Ctrl plus V for paste. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Adjust it accordingly by pressing Shift key. Press Ctrl plus J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus G for group the layers. You can rename the group. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Adjust it accordingly by pressing Shift key. Press Ctrl plus J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus G for group the layers. You can rename the group. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Adjust it accordingly by pressing Shift key. Press Ctrl plus J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus G for group the layers. You can rename the group. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Adjust it accordingly by pressing Shift key. Press Ctrl plus G for group the layers. You can rename the group. Now place all the slices accordingly. Select all the slices layers by holding Shift key. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform. Adjust it accordingly. Now we will change the background. Go to Adjustment Layer. Select Gradient. Pick the color you want. I'm using this color. Follow the settings. Now create a new layer for adding water splash. You can rename the layer. Select Brush tool. Brush preset link the description. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.